back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and this time it is going to be the Walmart beauty box, and it's this one right here. I did get this box like 2 weeks ago, but I didn't have time to do an unboxing video, but today I finally had time. So anyways, let's open it up. I did see a couple of people open their beauty box, but I'm not sure if we all got the same things. This is what it looks like, and it says Walmart beauty box right there. Ta-da! So it does come with a card, and it says here for every beauty. Inside it has the products that they send me and the prices. So the first product here, it is the Curl La La Defining Curl Custard, enriched with chia butter and olive oil. That's a little disappointing because this is my curly hair here. I don't have curly hair. Let's see, this retails for $6.97. This is not a full size. This is 3 ounces and the full size is 15 ounces. Oh, and the brand is Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. I thought it was Curl La La, but it's Aunt Jackie's. So this is what it looks like. So I don't have curly hair, and I don't have anyone in my family that has curly hair. I'm not sure if I should use it. I am not sure. Okay, the next product here, it is a Super Hold for natural hair. Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage, Super Hold and Smooth Edges, Long Lasting, Nourishing, and Flake Free Hold. So I guess this is like for baby hairs and stuff. I feel like this is more for people that have curly hair. I mean, I don't even use gel or hairspray in my hair, so I don't know. But this is what it looks like, and this retails for $2.54, the 2.3 ounces. This is 2.25 ounces. I'm not sure if I will be using this. Like I said, I don't really use that many products on my hair, so let me know if any of you guys have used this product. So the next product, it looks like it's a hair mask, and this one is from Earth Supplied, and this one is a textured hair care butter rich deep treatment mask, and this is what it looks like. It says moisture and repair. Earth Supplied butter rich deep treatment mask is made with 25% African chia butter, Southeast Asian coconut oil to replenish moisture, detangle, soften, and repair coily and curly hair. So this is for curly hair once again. That's weird that they sent me this kind of stuff, because like when I put all my information onto the Walmart website, it asked me if I had curly hair or straight hair, and I put straight hair. So I don't know why they're sending me stuff for curly hair. I'm not sure if I will be keeping this one either, or if I should just pass it on. So this is 1.75 ounces and the full size is 1.8 ounces, and it retails for $1.97. Okay, the next product here, it is the Palmer's Coconut Oil with vitamin E, and this one is it's a body lotion. I'm super excited about this. I love how this smells because I love the smell of coconut, but I don't like eating coconut. It smells really good. I'm just going to be using this for my hands. So the full size of this lotion retails for $5.28, and it is at 13.5 ounces, and this one is just 1.7 ounces. So that's that. And the last product, it is a lippy, and this one is a Nyx Butter Gloss in the shade Sorbet, and this is what it looks like. It looks really pretty. This is 0.27 ounces, and the full size is a 0.3 ounces, and they go for $4.97. I think I'm going to keep this one. I don't think I have a shade this color. Yeah, I'm just going to keep this one because it looks pretty. Okay, so it smells really good. It smells like cupcakes. I'm going to swatch it right here. And it's like a pinky shade. So this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. And it's just a gloss. And it smells so good. So I'm super happy with this. And I'm really happy with a coconut oil body lotion that I'm going to be using as a hand cream. And I'm not sure about these products right here. I mean, this one is just a hair mask, so I could use this. But these two products, I'm not sure, because I feel like this is for curly hair and I don't have curly hair. So I don't know. If anyone of you guys want this, let me know in the comments below. So that's that. That's everything that was in my box. This box wasn't my favorite because I only like 2 products out of here. So anyways, let me know in the comments below if you guys get the Walmart beauty box and what did you guys get. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's